out. So it looks a bit less by the spider web. And I got all this insulation out from the main part of it. So now we're just trying to see underneath the outriggers on the side where you see the wood over there to the right is rotted. If we have to replace those or not. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this out and see how bad the rot is.
So I'm going to score it as best I can along here, so I'm not actually pulling out the piece that's sitting on top of it.
Oh, good job. Look, another mess.
Gimme.
Is that the underbelly?
Yeah, because it comes up and it wraps up there.
So where's
With what?
the outrigger?
Right here.
Okay. How's that looking? Solid as what metal is that? Steel?
Yeah.
Yeah, solid as steel. Looks like we're got some good bones to this old relic.
Yeah.
So we got the black tank out, and the underbelly's all good, all the frame's all good. The underbelly paint, the black tank paint was all rotted, but we're moving that anyway. So it looks like it's in pretty good shape.
That one cross member support is just there for the support for the tank itself.
Yep. So those are rotted, but we don't need those here anyway. So more good news, except for that pile of dirt that we have, pile of whatever that is we have to clean up. Besides that, pretty good. Oh, I wasn't recording.
You weren't recording?
No. So we're gonna take this off today. Get some lunch.
Yeah, because Union says she needs to eat food or else she's going to whine. It's Union rules.
You're the one that gets hungry, not me.
You just get whiny. Tell me I'm wrong.
I think I should shut off this camera because something's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll be back to tackle this cap, get some rivets out. Bye!